Welcome to Nari Sakhi, and today we are going to see how to make homemade ginger honey cough syrup. Very healthy, very easy to make, and you can make it at home within a few minutes. So here I have ginger which has put in water for 15 to 20 minutes because it becomes easier to clean off all the mud if it has, and then skin comes off very easily. So peel off the skin using the peeler. Here I'm using spoon to peel the ginger because you can reach the corners very easily. So now I have peeled off the skin, and I'm going to grate the ginger using the grater because the juice which we get will be easier to get the juice when we grate it. So collect all the grated ginger and squeeze the juice, and this way it becomes easier to squeeze the juice using the strainer. So usually I add, if it's 1 teaspoon of ginger, I add half teaspoon of honey, but if you cannot handle the taste of ginger, you can add equal quantity. So here is the ginger juice, and the remaining ginger which is in the strainer you can add to the tea. So I'm adding honey here now. Mix it very well, and you can have this fresh homemade ginger honey cough syrup. When you have cough and cold, ginger will act as antibacterial. Honey will help to soothe the throat. It's very healthy and it's homemade, so there are no chemicals. Do try it and let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thank you for watching.